Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So as you know by today's title, our today's video is dedicated how we can ace our base. So if we want our makeup to stay longer and not look cakey, we need to make sure our base is right. I'll talk about that. I'll give you some tips here and there. So before I start, I would request you all to please subscribe and like this channel. I love you. The first and the foremost thing is that your skin should be hydrated, and you need to make sure that you are using your face oils and your face serums on time. I cannot stress enough how important it is for your skin to look flawless, because if your skin is healthy, your makeup is gonna look really nice. But if your skin has breakouts, it has blemishes, and it is dried, then it won't work on your skin. Sorry guys, that's the hard truth. So to take care of my skin, every night I use this Makeup Revolution hyaluronic acid. Cost somewhere around 1500, and you can definitely check out Nykaa for that. So I'll just take few drops of it in your palm. Once you have applied your face serum or your face oil or anything, let it be there for 2 to 3 minutes. So now when I'm done with my hyaluronic acid, I'll now go ahead and moisturize my skin. And as you all know by now, this is my holy grail for moisturizer. This is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I mean, never have I ever used any moisturizer this good. Our moisturizing is done, our serum or a face oil is done. The next thing we should do is we should color correct. So we need to know what kind of a color corrector we should use. So I'll talk about myself. I have little darkness around my eyes. So for that I can either use a orange color corrector, a red color corrector, or a peach color corrector. Depending upon the intensity of my darkness, I'll use that. And to do that, we have various options in the market. My favorite being Insight Color Wheel. My second favorite is this Mars contour palette. And my least favorite, and I'll tell you why it is my least favorite, is this peach color corrector by K Beauty. So my only beef with this color corrector is, though it looks like a peach color corrector, but as soon as I apply, not the color that I want. It's a very light peach. Girls who are very fair can use this. I cannot, unfortunately. I need a peach color corrector which looks like a little bit. So it's a little darker. I need this kind of a peach and not this. It doesn't work on my skin. Or if you don't want to use even this one, you can always invest in this Insight Color Wheel. You get so many options. Similar to this, you have one more color wheel from Inside itself. It has purple, green and orange color corrector. There is one more option. If you don't want to invest in a color corrector, then invest in a concealer which has an undertone of the color correction that you want. So for example, this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, this is C10, and the undertone of this concealer is peach. So it helps to blur out any darkness as well as conceal that area. I got this from HOK Makeup. I'll go ahead and color correct my under eyes, my area around the nose, and this area. I am in the shade NC30. The only drawback with this bottle is it doesn't have a pump, so I have to open it every time. But the plus point of this product is a little goes a long way. I mean, now use a beauty blender, or you can use your brush if you want to, and I'll blend it. So one of a common mistake that anyone or I used to do when I start using beauty blender, I never used to run it through water. तो ड्राई ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर के साथ क्या है, वो आपका सारा प्रोडक्ट ना खा जाता है, पी जाता है, तो वो आपके पास स्किन पे कुछ नहीं रह जाता एंड यू आर लाइक अरे कहाँ गया, ये तो फुल कवरेज था, इसको तो कुछ है ही नहीं. So that is one of the mistakes that we make with the beauty blender. We don't run it under the water, and we don't remove the excess water out of it. It's very important. Never use a too dry of a beauty blender, never use an extreme wet, because उससे क्या होगा, पानी आपके प्रोडक्ट के साथ मिक्स हो जाएगा और उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी और उसका जो आपको चाहिए ना फाइनल एंड फिनिश प्रोडक्ट, वो वैसा मिलेगा नहीं. So now I'm gonna bounce this all over my face. Don't drag it. I always say, don't drag your beauty blender on your face. It just takes the product away. Now we are done with our foundation. It's time we go ahead and for concealer, I'll be using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I'm in the color Sand. Only parameters where you have to conceal is your forehead, bridge of your nose, cupid bow, chin, around your eyes, on your eyelids if you want to. For contouring, I'm using this Inside Color Wheel. This color, I apply it, but I don't overdo it. That's about it. I don't need to do my jawline. I'm not doing my forehead. That's all about it. Now I'll use the same beauty blender and blend everything together. So now I am done with my concealer and my next thing is to set everything in place. Whatever I have used till now on my face was all cream or liquid. Now it's time I set everything with the powder. For that you can use a loose powder or you can use a compact. It's totally your call. But if I have to go on a wedding function or somewhere out, so that time I use both, but in a very moderate kind of a proportion. So I'll use my compact to set everything and then I'll use the loose powder to bake. For compact powder, I use this MAC Studio Fix. I use the shade NC40. Never forget your neck, guys. It's very important. So once I'm done with this, I'll go ahead and I'll start to bake. For baking, I have two options. One is this Maybelline Fit Me. The other one is this one. It's Lakme 925 Natural Finishing Powder. It has a little bit shine to it. So if I don't want to use a highlighter, I'm going in a day kind of a look, I'll use this one. But if I am going on a night kind of a look, I use this one. Take the product on your brush, dab the extra. So we bake under our eyes. And then we leave this till the time we are done with your eyes. So once this is done, this is done. So this is how you achieve a flawless base. So I'll go ahead and do my eyes and I'll be back with you in a while. Now my makeup is not gonna move anywhere, like anywhere. It's like that, set. It doesn't look cakey at all because your base is done. Yeah guys, love you. See you soon. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.